Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, the spring twist, then just stick around. I'm going to show you all the products that I used. I'm using the KD Spring Twist Professional Grade, and I have it in the color T1B30, and I use 5 packs for this look. The Mane and Tail Detangler Spray to detangle my hair. The Contour Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel for extra moisture. I'll be using the mousse just to tame the frizzes at the end of the installation, and a tail comb. Now guys, to prepare the hair for installation, you're just going to stretch it, fold it in half, sorry, then stretch it lightly. Then you're going to use your finger and just run it through both hands. That's it. I'm just going to repeat the process for you guys. I know guys, I did most of the hair off camera, but you gotta bear with me. I tried to film it before and I just couldn't. If you are new to the channel, then I am currently pregnant and this pregnancy has really been kicking my butt, guys. So I did all this while laying in the bed, and I decided to sit up so I could film this little section for you guys. I know I've been slacking, guys, but I promise as soon as I'm back to feeling like myself again, I'll resume regular uploads. So I'm just sectioning off the hair, and I'm just feeling it at this point, guys. And then I'm going to use the contour and lock gel just to moisturize it, because this hair is really dry. I'm not going to lie. It's really dry, and it's a protective style, so you need to retain moisture as much as possible in your hair. And I'm just going to, I think I did about 5 plaits, 2 strong plaits, well 3 strong, sorry, plaits down until I felt comfortable. I'm going to separate it into 2, and then I'm just going to do a 2 strand twist down. Just simple as that. So guys, I'm not going to be talking anymore through the video. I hope you enjoyed the music that I'll be playing for you guys. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. I'd appreciate it. It really help my channel out a lot. And I know, as I said before, that I have been slacking on my uploads, guys, but this pregnancy is really draining me physically and mentally, and I cannot wait to feel like myself again so I can resume regular uploads. I promise you guys, I will not disappoint you then. And if you guys have any video suggestions for me, you can just leave it in the comment down below and let me know what type of videos or content you guys would like to see. Thank you guys. Love you all. Until then, see you in the next video.